Hey guys, so jumping right in, I'm going to be doing a light press on my natural hair client. So getting started, I am just saturating her hair with water. I want to get this completely soaking wet, making sure every strand is saturated. I want to visibly see all of her curls reverting back to their natural state before I apply any product to her hair. So that's just something that I do that helps me gauge how much damage they have, and also how healthy their hair is. So since she just came out of a sew-in, I'm gonna start off with the clarifying shampoo. I want to make sure all of the dirt and debris is off of her scalp, and then I'll just let the product work its way down the hair shaft as it will. So she's gonna go through 2 clarifying shampoos, and then this is her second clarifying shampoo right now, and then following this you will see her moisturizing shampoo. And this particular client, she has a lot of heat damage, a lot of teenage damage. Kids, they love playing in their hair, trying new styles, and she had a lot of breakage, more so around the front of her hair. I think she just stayed in sew-ins for a majority of the school year, and I think she would flat iron her leave out more so, because that's like right in the middle of her hair. That's where a lot of her breakage is. It's almost 2 inches shorter than the rest of her hair. So she just sat in my chair and she's like, okay, I want my hair back healthy. So we're taking steps to get her right. She normally do not get her hair pressed out because of the severity of the damage she has. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a light press. She did have a lot of breakage. She is one of those clients who need a haircut, not a trim. Like, a trim is anything less than 1 inch, but when you have breakage that's pretty much the majority of the length of your hair, that's a haircut. So, but again, with her age, she wants to keep her length and hold on to it. So we're going to take it bit by bit. So I didn't cut off everything that needs to go, but I'm getting ahead of myself. You'll see how that works out. So now I'm just rinsing out her moisturizing shampoo. I went in with a moisturizing conditioner and set her under the dryer, gave her a deep conditioning treatment for about 20 minutes, rinsed her in cool water, and then now I just sprayed a leave-in conditioner in her hair and went in with some heat protecting oil prior to the blow dry. So when I blow dry my clients, I do not use high heat at all. My dryer is never at the highest temperature. It's always at the medium heat setting. And I use a Denman or a paddle brush because of the length of her hair and how tight her curls are. I decided to use my Denman brush, and this is very great for stretching out that hair. And I got that concentrator and the heat just flowing exactly where I need it to be. And this is the benefit of using the medium heat. You can go over that area of hair several times without causing heat damage. And now I'm about to begin my flat ironing process. I am going to be using ceramic irons. I started out at 410 and then I lowered it down to 400 degrees. Again, she has very fragile hair. She do not need high heat. She's just getting this style to hold her over for a few days because she will be getting braids, but she wants to try something new. She really doesn't wear her hair flat ironed and just pressed out. So ceramic irons are better for people with thinner hair or fine to normal hair, I should say. I don't cross into that titanium iron unless somebody has thick, coarse hair. Titanium irons, that's just a different type of heat. So yeah, if the hair is not thick or coarse or it's not extensions, they're in the drawer. But ceramic plated irons, they can get the job done. But again, she already has heat damage, so there is really no point for me to go in and put these irons on 450 degrees. She's fine right here at 400. And you see her sister in the back came to visit. She just wanted to be a part of the show. And I apologize, guys. I did cut out a lot of footage from the blowout process and the flat iron process just because I saw that I was at a bad angle, so you wouldn't be able to see what I was actually doing. So I didn't want to waste your time and have you just watching me and you can't see anything. So I did want to piece in important steps just so I could at least talk you through the process of what's going on, how you should go about taking care of your hair or your client's hair. And please don't judge my hair. I wasn't planning on doing hair. I was just working on some I was building some lights and cleaning up and sanitizing everything, and my niece came to me and she said, "Auntie, can you do my hair?" So yes, this is a no judgment zone. Alright, so now that she's all pressed out, I just sprayed some hair polisher just so I could use the oil from that product to help wrap her hair and hold it in place. And I'm going to put a processing cap on her hair and place her under the dryer on cool, low heat for 5 minutes. Alright, so I'm just taking my brush now just so I can make sure every strand is in place, and then I'm going to place that processing cap on her head. And just like you would with the saran wrap, you want to make sure any air bubbles is out before you put them under the dryer. And then I'm going to flip screens and you'll see she's back from under the dryer now, and I'm just going to remove it in the same direction as I wrapped her hair. Take a wide tooth comb and comb everything down, and there goes her baby sister. So say hey, like. So now I'm just gonna, style her hair, lay her edges down with the edge control, make sure she's happy and satisfied. And I do appreciate you all for watching and tuning in. If you have any questions, comments, or concern, please leave them below. Make sure you like like, comment, and subscribe. And here is the final results.